Hi, I'm Amya Black. I am here at Keiser Tallahassee Culinary Program with an associate's degree. My goal here is to kind of get into that executive chef position and see where it goes from there. I chose to study in this field because I love food and I love hospitality. You get to learn every single thing about food, like how to make everything from scratch. You also learn every single thing in a restaurant, how to run it, how to serve, how to deal with customers. The only negative thing is burns. It's dangerous. You have to be careful in the kitchen. Watch out for hot things. Take care of yourself. I chose Keiser because of a good friend of mine. She graduated last year, and hearing all the good things about the program really made a difference. And this is possibly the best school experience I've had. Your teachers know your name. They know your personality. They know what to expect of you. Honestly, they push you to be the best version of yourself you could be. Chef Miller and Chef Taylor are honestly some of the best people I have in my life right now because I'm away from home, so it's good to have good support. I am from a small town called Olive Branch, Mississippi. I ended up here due to basketball, playing scholarship to scholarship. So after 3 years of kind of figuring out what I would love to do, I found Keiser, and I've been pushing myself ever since. The best words of encouragement I can say is, just like Nike, just do it. Don't think about it twice. I made a decision and I did it, and I haven't regretted it since. You never know what you're capable of until you do it. Go Seahawks.